at home, based on your firsthand experience, there are craft of non-human origin that you have recovered that seem to be piloted or interfacing directly with human consciousness. Is that correct?
Yeah, let me tell you a very short story.
Okay.
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 An aircraft crashed.
Yeah.
My team was deployed.
Yeah.
We secured the perimeter.
Yeah.
We secured that target.
Yeah.
We transported that target. We escorted that target and provided security for that target. That target was transported to a facility of a very well-known government-private partner. The decision was made to bring in a team that represented a different private partner who was working on consciousness and the mechanism by which humans could interface with technology. The two were merged, and we were involved with that process.
You were involved in that process?
Yes.
So, Jake, based on your firsthand experience, it sounds
Oh my God, there's that word, firsthand. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it is firsthand.
It is firsthand.
It is firsthand.
Yeah.
Based on your firsthand experience, it sounds like we're living in a science fiction novel, and there seem to be craft of non-human origin that are flying around our skies, and certain human consciousnesses seem to be able to interface with these craft. And there are organizations or institutions, if you will, all around the world that know this fact.
Yeah. Isn't it depressing that should be shocking?
It is very depressing, yeah.
That shouldn't be shocking. Thank God, like, you know what? I mean, forgive me, but I'm over that.
Yeah.
So, like, let's get past that, because that is the case, and it is exciting, but we have a duty here. We have a moment in time, thanks to friends like David Grush, who has stuck his neck out and paved a trail with our government, who, for better or worse, has control over a lot of things. This is an opportunity for everyone to make a situation appear where we realize that our consciousness has an impact on our everyday life. I can tell you that this is not unique to the United States, and it's not unique to the most well-known private partners of the Department of Defense and the intelligence community. There is a global effort and interest in this, and a global capability in doing this. Crash recovery is something, and reverse engineering is something that is being done by a number of agencies or organizations worldwide.